Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a MSVCP140.dll error when you try to launch any application or software or any games like PUBG or Fortnite, etc. Then you can face this type of error. So in this video tutorials I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. So let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, first of all, going to your Google Play Store and type out download Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable. So search it, then you when you try to search it, then you can see that first link is posted by February 2016 Microsoft official website. Download Microsoft Visual C++ 2000 distribution updated. Now you can must be click on those links which is show that updated. So click on it and you can jump official website of Microsoft. Okay guys, when you open it then after doing this, so I just wait that after opening that, simply click on a download button. Now it's show two names files, 64-bit and 32 bits available. Now check your computer operating system is that go to your my computer and go to your properties. Now my computer is a 64-bit operating system. If you are 32-bit, then you can download a 32-bit, otherwise you can download a 64-bit operating system files. Now I select 64 bits and click on a next button. When you click on a next button, then it's automatically started downloading. Now I click on it. Now you can see that it's downloading automatically will be started, but I have already downloaded it. So I go here as that. Now you can see that setup is, so open it and install. But at this time, you can see that in my case show a repair and uninstall program, because I have already installed it my computer. So you can just open and install it in your computers. Okay guys, after doing that, go to your once again go to your Google search engine and type free download DirectX11. Okay guys, click on it and go to your any website which you prefer. So I click on it. After this, that click on a download button and download a file DirectX. Okay guys, I have already downloaded it. After doing this, compress the file, right click and click on extract here. Now it's show the, at this look. Now you can see this this is a setup of DirectX 11. So open it and click on a yes button and install. Click the I accept the agreement and click on next button and install it in your computer. It's required some time to install it, and you can wait for a few minutes and completing installation. After completing that, restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.